What's going on, YouTube world? How's it going? Welcome to the Shim of All Trades channel. Another episode, this Black Friday episode. What's going on? Just to let you know who I am, I'm an Elliott Wave trader. I trade the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. I look at the market through the lens of 5s and 3s. Put those 5s and 3s together, forming known liquidity patterns that a man named Elliott found in the early 1900s, and then we can see where price is going from there. So we're going to apply Elliott Wave theory to what we're seeing in the market. That's who I am. That's what I'm doing here on this channel. Now, I do trade with this. I have trading rules and I've developed a trading methodology that uses Elliott Wave. It's not my exclusive. That's not my exclusive point of view, guys. We have to use other tools. Elliott Wave is just a way to interpret the market. But what I do in the videos, guys, is I don't disclose all the trading plans or whatnot. But I do show you the general direction of where I see price going and the shape of that price. So if you'd like to be a part of that, guys, I'm now opening up the Discord. You get a week free if you want to join the Discord today. You'll basically, Patreon will charge you for today, and but I'll refund that money to you once the billing for December happens. Okay, so on December 1st, at the end of the day, I refund everybody that joined in November. All right, and you'll get this week free. In other words, it gives you December. You'll end up paying for December, and you get an extra week free. So if you'd like to be part of the Discord, come on in, guys, and we'll get you set up. All right. With all that said, let's look at Bitcoin here and let's see which way she's going. Okay. Let's see what's Bitcoin going to do from here. Okay. We do have a completed 5-wave structure right here. It's at least almost complete. Might be one more wave to the downside, guys. We are in our target zone, however, though we haven't hit the target that I'm expecting, which is around $53,098 is what I have boxed here. Came real close to it, guys, and I think we're on our way to it. I just think we're putting in a fourth wave. We're going to go sideways for a little while, hit the low pretty quick, and then reverse back to the upside. That's at least one count that I have. One Elliott Wave count. Now, based upon that, what we're looking at is an A, B, C right here, expanded flat. And the count for expanded flat basically is this. You see a wave that breaks to the downside with 3 waves. That's your A wave. Then the B wave actually overtakes the origin of the A wave, but it's still a corrective wave, and it's 3 waves in and of itself. And then we finish with a C wave of 5 waves. And you'll notice I've got the 5 waves delineated on your screen there. Bottom of 3 is right here. We had a 3-wave pullback. That's what we had yesterday. And then now we've had a spike to the low for the 5th wave. Now, that's one plausible count. That looks pretty good. It is supported also by the divergence we're seeing in the chart. Let me highlight that for you. We've got regular divergence between the 3rd and the 5th wave going on right there. Okay, this might be the bottom of 3rd. This could have been a complex 4th as well. Another way to interpret it as well. All right. So yeah, we do have that divergence there. So that's looking good. But nevertheless, we're still looking for more confirmation to the upside that this actual count is in play. Okay. But it's looking good. Looking not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. 1 hour chart here, guys, just to look where we are. I'd basically look at this as a 1, 2. Now, this is tricky. Is this 3 right here, or is this the bottom of 3? We're getting 4. Now, 4 is probably, since 2 was real small, 4 is going to flag out here for a little bit, go 4, and then 5. Okay, this 4 may come back up here to this yellow line that I have drawn right here, which is the bottom of these wicks right here. In other words, retrace the breakout zone there. Usually speaking, you get 38% retrace for the wave 4, anywhere from 38 to the 382 to the 50, and so that puts us right in here somewhere. So if we get kind of a deep retrace, that could be a wave 4. We'll have to wait and see. Not certain about that. It's always hard to tell, but this is an impulse wave, guys, that either has one more hit to the low or is finished. Looks like we got some green candles working here, so it certainly looks like they want to take it up. Now, looking at the smaller time frame, just guessing as the way this wave may play out. This is where it gets dangerous because it's harder to interpret smaller time frame waves. But I would guess here, guys, if I had to guess, which I don't have to, but I'm going to. Looking for my pin there. There it is. This looks like a 3-wave move right there. Okay. Now, the interesting thing is we got a 3, 3, 3 there. So that looks like a 3-wave move as well. Okay, now this looks like a 5. I bet you we get a 3 and then another 5. So it's looking like we're going to maybe get something like this. That would be a complex correction. Okay, another way they could do this here is they could take this up like this and then down. And so that would be 3 and then 3. And then they could take it up with 5, or they could take it up with 3, something like that, to give us to give us a larger correction here and take a lot of time up over the weekend or over today at least with this wave before they give us another move to the downside and then consolidate us again. So anyway, guys, plan on this being a consolidation zone, most likely going to go sideways the rest of the day. It's going to feel sideways. Still holding my particular short, but I'm really considering taking profit in this zone. Why? Because on the larger time frame, I'm really interested in this area, okay? I've got the top of this wave. I've got the bottom of this wave. It's a key zone, okay? If we look left, you'll notice how key this zone is. Hits here, hits here, hits here. So this zone is key, all right? So we understand that. So that's one area that we're very interested in. Secondly, everybody was very bullish, and everybody was expecting us to go bull up here. So the fact that we've come down in 5 waves, okay, even everybody thought that this was the breakout yesterday, but it ended up coming down as well. It just lends me to think we've probably got more downside to go. But we'll probably, if we're going to get a reversal, it's going to be around this area. On the higher time frames, you'll notice some divergence that we have here, which I've already highlighted there. We also have hidden bullish divergence, and that's very powerful. Very, very powerful continuation divergence. What's hidden bull? Well, you see that peak right there and that peak, how they correspond? And we draw a line to the upside here, and we draw a line to the downside here. That's letting you the RSIs come down to reset and has ready for the bulls to come in and bring their momentum in, looking for an upside move. Now, if I were to guess about future price action, here's what I'm thinking. I've got a vector drawn here with different scenarios in play. You can see a yellow ABC. We could simply get an ABC move to the upside, okay, followed by more downside. That's a possibility. Okay, the other possibility is the white impulse wave that I have, and that's the moon boy scenario where we just start, we moon from here. That this is a 1-2, this is a 1-2, and now we're going to moon up here for the rest of the wave. So which one's going to happen? I cannot tell you. I do not know. Okay, this was from teaching earlier. I was doing some teaching earlier, so sorry about that. All right, so that's kind of where we are, guys. This is looking about finished. We're in the finished zone. Regardless of whether we go up or down from here, I do believe that we have a high probability of a corrective wave, at least. Something proportional to this entire wave. At least 3 waves to the upside. That's a potential or a strong probability. I don't ever speak in certainties because I don't know. This has certainly the probability here of making a lower low for the 5th wave and then coming up, but it doesn't have to. The wave looks to be about complete. It could be complete. I've got a way of counting it as complete, but sometimes it's hard to know whether it's complete or not. So anyway, guys, looking for this to probably consolidate in this zone for a little bit before it starts making its way back to the upside, at least in 3 waves, or it could go up in 5 waves like so, but that's the way we're looking at the waves. All right, guys, there's a very quick update. If you want more detailed analysis, I woke up at 2:30 this morning, my time, and we did a live stream this morning about 3 a.m. my time when it was needed for the Discord. And if you want access to that kind of regular information where you need to know what the market's doing and you need some help interpreting it, that's what the Discord's for. That's what especially Tier 1 is for. When you need help interpreting the waves, well, you get 2 live streams every day in the Discord as well as educational materials. And you get help in interpreting the waves from somebody that's been doing this for quite a while and is very good at looking at Elliott wave theory. If you need help learning it, and you get to watch somebody do it right in front of you every day. Okay, we have a tier 2 as well. If you want to be trading on a day trading pattern, I recommend and show trading setups as I see them and share them for guys to watch out for and to trade with good risk management. Okay. Then we have a private mentorship as well, a one-on-one mentorship at Tier 3, and there's they all have their benefits. So all those descriptions are there on Patreon. You can check those out. Just go to patreon.com/JimOfAllTrades and you'll find me. Okay, there's a link in the description as well. But if you need help navigating these waters and just planning your trades, we'd love to have you in the Discord. Love to have you. Again, you get the rest of the month free, the last week free. Anybody who joins the last week of the month, we will give you a discount. We'll give you a refund on the first of the month. You do have to pay today. You will pay today, and you will pay December 1st. But I promise you, I will refund your money on December 1st if you joined this week. Okay, starting November 26th. All right, guys, have a fantastic weekend. Enjoy your family. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody who is in the States. And if you're not in the States, I know you're still thankful as well, and you can have your own Thanksgiving as well if you'd like to copy us in that. Love you to follow that. But now I'm going to go and take my son out shopping because we're discontent with what we have. That's the great paradox of the American culture. We have Thanksgiving, and we're thankful for all that we have, and then we go get some more stuff on Black Friday. What a funny day. All right. Hey, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, guys, let's have a secret message. Black Friday is for chumps. That ought to be random enough. Black Friday's for chumps. Can you imagine how many comments we have? Black Friday's for chumps in the comments, and people are like, what in the world? Why are y'all saying that? And if they had only watched the video to the end, they would know our secret. So, you guys, you'll be in on the secret club, and I'll also know you're one of the faithful viewers that watches all the way to the end. Hey, thanks so much. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.